Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of a recently closed trade ID number 753. This is on the SPY. As you can see, it was a long put butterfly, in this case an out of the money butterfly, which has some unique advantages that I'll cover in a moment. It was in our speculative portfolio, which is where we put trades that we like. In this case, it was basically a position set up to protect the downside in the uncertain market conditions that we had with other upside positions in our other portfolios. The entry alert was sent out on August 24th, and you can see from the chart the market had made a move to the upside, but it moved to the upside enough to where we had a qualified downward zigzag. So we moved up right enough to qualify just under a 50% retracement here in the B wave. We'd started down and we had some support down here at 420, which had not been tested. You can see we broke above it in the beginning of June and never tested it. So you always wanted to keep that in the back of your mind, that that's a possibility, even when it looks like the market is trying to bounce to the upside. So adding this as protection, we set up the butterfly as a 430, 420, 410 butterfly. So the midpoint being that support resistance line at 420. And as you can see from the result, this position actually worked out really well. Set up as protection, potential protection. We moved to the downside, and as I said, an out-of-the-money butterfly has unique advantages. Notice that where we were trading was 435. In other words, we hadn't even moved into the upper wing of the butterfly. That's the directional nature of it. You don't have to have the stock or market move within the wings of the butterfly. Just move in that direction when you place them out of the money, and they can generate a gain. So where we were trading in the market was a bit of a ways from that 10-day moving average, and we gapped down. So we were oversold short term. In addition, looking at the CCI, or shorter term confirming indicator, we were down at an extreme point low, meaning that we were set up for a potential market bounce back to the upside. So it's a good time to go ahead and take this protective trade off. You can see we made just under a 42% gain. And when you look at the mark-to-market graph on the bounce to the upside, of course the butterfly wasn't performing very well, but the more that time goes by, the better butterflies work, because they are time decay helpful, if you will, benefit of out of the money, time decay neutral in many cases as well. And so the move back to the upside in an oversold condition, even though we hadn't reached our target price yet, a good time to take off a nice profitable trade. Some of the real benefits of out-of-the-money butterflies. I hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking again soon. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.